Alright everybody, so check this out. We're in Oklahoma, we're having a hailstorm right now. It's been a couple years since we've really had some hail. But I always know where my old motorcycle helmet is in the garage, and I've got something padded. A rug, moving blankets, a piece of foam, something that I can run out there and throw over my cars to protect them. And you'll see how quickly the weather turns around here. We go from good weather to golf ball size hails in less than a minute, and within 5 minutes we're back to just a regular dreary day. I just ran out there and threw an old rug over the windshield of my Jeep. But I'm telling you what, keeping this motorcycle helmet around has saved my ass every time we've had one of these hailstorms. It's a great thing. Ada. Idiot dog thinks ice cubes are the greatest thing in the world.